It is time to make some brownies. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, step one. Put the box in a bowl. Ta-da! Then you need 2 eggs. Whoops, you gotta crack them first. Get all of it in there. 1/4 water. Woo! Ah. Dump it into the cake batter. Then you need 2/3 oil. You should make sure you have enough before you start the recipe. Otherwise, you will run out. Luckily, we have more. Ooh. Oh. Yes. Fill it up to 2/3. Mix it up. Woo! Oh, yes, baby. Who's making brownies? We are. Now, they say don't try things with raw eggs. But, you know, after the year that we've had, I'm willing to try anything. I mean, really, do we need to listen to the CDC anyway? Oh. Oh, baby. Oh. These are gonna be good brownies, baby. Come on over, honey. Betty Crocker is cooking today. Now it's time to put it in the pan. Okay. Woo! Whoa! Go in. There we go. Oh yeah, spread it evenly. And baby, soon in like 20-something minutes, you are gonna have the best brownies of your life. Oh my gosh. Why go to the store when you can make brownies at home? I mean, right? Am I right? Come on, I'm right. I've decided to add peanut butter and powdered sugar to my brownies. Then you put the pan in the oven and eat the rest of the dough. Don't forget to set the timer, and bam, that is how you make brownies.